Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a corrupt download on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam preferences where you can adjust various configurations to optimize your download experience. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Downloads. This section contains all the options related to how Steam handles your game downloads and updates. Now, locate the download region option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the region that's closest to your location. Choosing a nearby server can significantly improve your download speeds and help resolve issues with corrupted files, as you'll be connecting to a more stable and faster server. After selecting your preferred region, you'll notice a button that says Restart Now. Click on it to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically, which allows the new download region setting to take effect properly. Once Steam restarts and you're back in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. This action removes temporary download data that might be causing conflicts or corruption issues. A confirmation window will pop up, so click Confirm to proceed. This step is crucial because corrupted cache files are often the root cause of download problems, and clearing them gives Steam a fresh start. Now navigate to the upper left corner again and click on Library. This is where all your installed and available games are listed. In the left panel, locate the game that's experiencing the corrupt download issue. Right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a detailed settings window specifically for that game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to various file management options for the game. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature is incredibly useful because it scans all the game files on your computer and compares them with the original versions stored on Steam servers. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically re-download and replace them, fixing the issue without requiring you to reinstall the entire game. The verification process will take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient while Steam checks everything. Once it's complete, Steam will display a message confirming whether any files were repaired or if everything was already intact. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the corrupt download issue on Steam by changing your download region, clearing the cache, and verifying the game files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.